Are you experiencing skin irritation? Alright, don't worry. Today in this video, I'll be showing you by demonstrating on my face how to use the Calamine lotion. Well, the Calamine lotion is a medicated lotion that you can use for bug bites, minor skin rashes, sunburns, poison ivy, or oaks, and it also can use for chicken pox for persons who have that and don't want to spend this big money. But if you use this and it doesn't heal up or whatever, you can go to your doctor. This is just a little fix at the moment. All right, and everybody's supposed to have this calamine lotion in their little medicated cabinet. All right, so by applying the calamine lotion to the affected area, you can experience quick relief from discomfort and inflammation. It also cools and protect properties, making it excellent solution for anyone dealing with skin irritation such as eczema, because eczema can be flaky and scratchy, itchy. So you can use this. Try Calamine lotion today and say goodbye to itching, uncomfortable skin. Yeah, guys. Hope you like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.